Welcome to the overview of the Microsoft Dynamics 365 2023 Release Wave 2 plan. In the 2023 Release Wave 2, Microsoft Dynamics 365 introduces exciting new features and updates. Let's start with Dynamics 365 Marketing, which brings enhancements to Copilot features, personalized email content, B2B dashboards, and lead assignment. These updates empower businesses to create more engaging marketing campaigns and drive better results. Next, we have Dynamics 365 Sales, offering enhanced sequence capabilities, lead assignment monitoring, and AI-powered Sales Copilot. These improvements enable sales teams to streamline their processes and close deals more effectively. Moving on to Dynamics 365 Customer Service, where you'll find efficiency improvements for agents, Copilot capabilities, and enhancements to the voice channel. These enhancements ensure exceptional customer service experiences and faster issue resolution. Now, let's explore Dynamics 365 Field Service, which introduces new capabilities for frontline workers, service managers, and dispatchers. These features optimize field service operations and improve customer satisfaction. In Dynamics 365 Finance, you'll find enhanced visibility into data, automation of AP and bank statement processes, and expanded country coverage. These updates empower finance teams to make informed decisions and streamline financial operations. Next, we have Supply Chain Management, which offers optimization of business processes, enhanced sales and procurement, and improved warehouse processes. These features enable businesses to achieve greater efficiency and agility in their supply chain operations. Moving on to Dynamics 365 Project Operations, you'll find enhancements to services procurement and project contracting, pricing model support, and intelligent resource recommendations. These updates empower project teams to deliver successful projects on time and within budget. Finance and operations cross-app capabilities receive investment in new capabilities, ensuring a seamless experience across all finance and operations apps. These updates enhance collaboration and efficiency across different business functions. Dynamics 365 Human Resources introduces improvements in recruiting experiences, HCM ecosystem expansion, and payroll partner network. These updates empower HR teams to attract top talent and streamline HR processes. Next, we have Dynamics 365 Commerce, offering AI-powered product content creation, B2B investments, and a centralized dashboard for B2B sellers. These features enable businesses to deliver personalized shopping experiences and drive B2B sales growth. In Dynamics 365 Business Central, you'll find core functionality enhancements, Copilot capabilities, and improved warehouse capabilities. These updates empower businesses to manage their operations more efficiently and make data-driven decisions. Dynamics 365 Guides introduces new capabilities and enhancements, including object anchors and integration with systems of record. These features enable businesses to provide interactive and immersive guidance to their employees. Next, we have Dynamics 365 Customer Insights, offering enhancements to Copilot features, real-time data management, and seamless integration with Dynamics 365 apps. These updates enable businesses to gain valuable insights from customer data and drive personalized customer experiences. Microsoft Supply Chain Center introduces enhancements in intelligent order management, collaboration with external partners, and advanced data analytics. These features enable businesses to optimize their supply chain operations and make data-driven decisions. Thank you for watching the overview of the Microsoft Dynamics 365 2023 Release Wave 2 plan. Visit our website for more information.